I will explain it again. This is, we are going to find out second derivative. The symbol of second derivative is d square y over dx square or f double x. F double dash x, right? So y equals to, we have 2x cube. So we find out first derivative. Okay, using this power rule. You have only one rule, that is power rule, right? So now second derivative means second derivative. Pay attention. Second derivative. What is first derivative? Dy over dx. Okay, dy over dx is first derivative. So I'm writing first derivative here. Okay, and then again you have to find out derivative. So what sign you use? D over dx always, or derivative d over dx. Okay, yeah, correct. So instead of writing d over dx and then dy over dx, this means you are finding its derivative. It's already first derivative, so this symbol you can write d square y over dx square. Okay, this symbol d over dx, dy over dx. First you can write d square y over dx square, and this simple, the rule for this right hand side will remain same as we did in first part. So what is this one? 6, then 2, and then times x to the power 2 minus 1. See, the rule for the right part is the same. Okay, so this becomes 6 times 2 is 12, and x to the power 2 minus 1 means x to the power 1 or simply x. So second derivative is x. Okay, this is the question. X square plus 1 and x cube minus 1. So how can we do this one? First, you need to simplify it, multiply this. Square and x cube, then x square with x. Okay, so x square and x cube. See, x square and x cube, same base. It means there will be addition with power x to the power 5, right? X to the power 5. Then x squared times x, obviously it will be negative, and this is power means x to the power 2, no power means 1. Okay, so this will be x to the power, right? And then 1 to x cube and 1 to minus x. You know, if you multiply any number or term by 1, answer will remain same. 1 time x cube is x cube. Okay, 1 times and negative 1 time x is x. Correct, guys? Now
Yes,
here
sir.
you can see this is negative x. These they will cancel each other. This negative x cube and plus x cube, negative x cube and plus x cube will cancel because one is negative, other is positive. So what is left? X or 5 and minus. Now, if we
Sir,
have,
sir, sorry, sir.
yeah,
Can you share the book as well? Share your screen with the book.
book
Are you
I
using
will because this time I need the big screen. That's why.
Oh, okay. Never mind then.
Okay.
I thought, yeah.
Uh, so because if I use book, then I get half space, and that's not enough. Okay. So book, I will show book later. I will take on the size and question. Okay. But first you understand the concept. Y equals to x5, x to the power 5 and minus x. Now differentiate both sides. So differentiate both sides means what you write, guys? You write d over dx. D over dx is the symbol of derivative, okay, or gradient function. This is y here, and this is x, okay, x5, x to the power 5 and minus. So we have 2. We have 2 terms here, so we need to write d over dx 2 times. Okay. So this, when you solve, 5 comes before x, and then its power 4. Understanding? 5 minus and 4. and derivative of x is what? 1. Remember, d over dx, x to power 1 time x to power 1 minus 1. So x to power 0, that is 1. Okay, so directly you can write. So this is the value of dy over dx. This is first derivative. But we have to find out second derivative. What we will do, we will have to differentiate both sides again. D over dx.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir.
Yes.
But for x, are we not supposed to put any negative sign? Here, sir. I don't know if you can see my cursor. Wait, let me in it. Here, sir. Can you see my cursor?
Okay.
Are we supposed to put any negative sign? I just don't
I
know.
can't see your cursor. That's which step you are talking about?
Yeah, that part, sir, right there.
This one. Okay.
Yeah, x is supposed to be negative or not, sir?
No. Write the sign before d over dx. Right? This x you have
Oh, okay. Now I
these
see,
are
sir.
these are operating sign, not individual sign. So that's
Okay,
why
sir.
yeah, always either plus minus whatever right before the sign d over dx.
Okay.
Hmm.
All right. I didn't see the negative. All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so d over dx, and this is dy over dx. Okay, and here 5x is power 4, and then minus 1 minus, okay, minus d over dx, and this is 1. So how do we write this one? D square y over dx square, and 5, this is 4 times x to power 4 minus 1 is 3, and this is 0, right? Always pay attention. Derivative of a constant. If you have any number constant, it will be 0. Derivative of constant is 0. So this becomes 4 3 is 12, 12x cube, right? Fx equals to this one, and find gradient at this point. So simply what you have to do, you have to differentiate. Okay, you have to differentiate d over dx fx. You have to differentiate both sides. D over dx minus x square plus d over dx twice x minus d over dx, and this is 1. Okay, so d over dx you can write f dash x, okay, like this, dy over dx. Or if you want to continue, you can continue same sign, but better to write f dash x for first derivative. This minus 2 times x to power 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, then 2 here, derivative of x, what, 1, derivative of x is 1. If there is x, derivative is always 1, and this is constant, derivative is 0. So f dash x equals to how much you are getting? Simply 2x and plus. Now look at this word. Once you get the derivative, first derivative, then he's asking you what is the value of derivative or gradient function at x equals to. So what you will do, you will write at x equals to 1, at x equals to 1. Remember, f, now replace x by 1 in the f dash 1 equals to minus 2 times 1 plus 2. So negative 2 plus 2, this is 0. So gradient function at x equals to 1 is 0. So how do we get this one? First of all, find first derivative and then replace x by 1. Whatever value of x is given in the question, replace by that value, and then calculate whatever answer you get. That will be the gradient, right, at that point. It means, or you can write x equals to, okay, x equals to 3. Understanding? And so x equals to 3, this we have to find out. If you find out x equals to 3, x 3, you will find out. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so it's just reverse of what you have done earlier, reverse of that one. For
Right,
example,
sir.
I will take one more question for it. I have one more question. This is one from this, and one more question from this one, and this is one. Let me see, like I take 1D, like 1D. So fx equals to 1 over 2x square minus 3x and minus 1 and f dash x gradient means this f dash x is given minus 3, right? F dash x means gradient. So first of all, you differentiate both sides. D over dx, this is 1 over 2x square minus d over dx, 3x and minus d over dx. This is 1. So f dash x, and this is what? 1 over 2 times 2x minus 3 times 1, and this is 0. So f dash x equals to, you can write minus 3. This is x and this is minus 3. This minus 3 you can write here, this plus 0 equals to x or x equals to 0. This way you can find out the value of x. So here only question number 1 in from 19.8. From 19.8, question number 1, all parts. Okay, only this question number 1 only for BSc.